down the outside is being wide, but he runs home strongly. Bully Cobb, the Vowels out wider, Wolverine between them. The Vowels and Wolverine, the inside, Bully Cobb, the Vowels in front. Big win, the Vowels from Wolverine, Bully. Skyman, Muttamekan down the outside, Dragon Leap, and Antino's well clear. 3 lengths in front of the Wayne Wilson and kept going. It's all Antino, and Antino wins again. Antino from second, Muttamekan third. Steinbrenner to the inside. Blazing Boots was leaving it late. In front, Cronenberg for Jimmy Orman. The inside, Steinbrenner coming home late as Baglioni. Blazing Boots on the outside. Big finish here. Oh, I think Jimmy's got home, has he?
Cronenberg on the inside. Jimmy Orman shooting for his 100th Metro winner. Cronenberg hangs on. Jimmy's got his 100th.